breaking news, a new date set for a criminal child neglect case surrounding the 2023 Richneck Elementary School shooting.
Alex Littlehales is live at the Newport-News courthouse with a new development to this story that grabbed national attention. Alex.
Well, good evening. We now know the next significant date in the fallout of the 2023 Richneck Elementary School shooting. We now know that Dr. Ebony Parker, who was the assistant principal at the time, a 6-year-old, shot his teacher Abby Zwerner inside a classroom. That jury trial will now be set for February 19th and 20th of 2025. Now, this comes about 5 months after a special grand jury found that Dr. Parker ignored multiple warning signs throughout the day about a possible gun being on the school grounds of Richneck Elementary School. Again, this is for those 8 felony neglect child charges, 1 count for each of the bullets reportedly in the student's gun that day. So earlier today, actually just a couple hours ago, we ran into Curtis Rogers. He is Ebony Parker's attorney. He did not take questions as he was walking inside the courthouse. Dr. Parker was not in attendance for this hearing as well. But inside the courtroom, this matter was resolved really in seconds. They did not talk about the pending trial. They did not talk about the facts surrounding this case or that special grand jury report. All they did was set the trial date again for February 19th and 20th of 2025 next year. So again, 5 months after the special grand jury report found that Dr. Parker's lack of response that day was, quote, shocking, according to the investigation. That investigation also called her decision-making that day poor, including the decision to not search the student for a handgun after multiple reports and student claims. That last lack of action came less than 20 minutes before the student shot Abby Zwerner. Now, it's also worth pointing out that the principal of Richneck at the time, because remember, Dr. Parker was the assistant principal. Well, the principal does not face a criminal liability in this case because it was found that Dr. Parker did not relay those concerns about the gun to her. So again, a lot of new information coming down just the last half hour. But for now, in Newport News, I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
All right, thanks so much for that update, Alex. And the 6-year-old boy's mother, Deja Taylor, is currently serving a 2-year sentence for felony child neglect at Western Tidewater Regional Jail.